Nice. Okay, guys, so back at the bus, having a break. But yeah, so I've got the first coat of trim clad down just to here, because since I have to move everything back, I figured I'd paint it, and that way everything's going to be easier to sweep after. So I wire wheeled the whole area, and then basically I just brushed it on. I do have a roller, but the roller wasn't putting it on as thick as I wanted it to. So this is all trim clad gray. As I said, back there, I'm keeping that for my garage, and the wall will be butted right up against that piece of plywood. So it's coming along. I've just spent a lot of time painting, and yeah, sweet. And my solar's doing pretty good. I'll take you down and grab a look-see. Oh, yeah, just a little 100-watt solar panel, and 2.7 amps. It is a little bit overcast. Yeah, just my Group 27 battery from my boat, and I'm not drawing anything right now. Me DeWalt 1000-watt, just picked that up for the hell of it. Picked up some more DeWalt stuff. I already charged this battery, but yeah, so that's basically my only hydro until I get all those solar panels up on the roof of the bus. But that's probably not going to be until late fall. I still have to paint the roof. I'm going to take a wire wheel to the edge up there. I bought a spray can of primer just to protect that for now. And down here I'll do the same, wire wheel and chip all that off and then prime it. I do have, my sister did drop me off the tint, so I can start tinting the windows and the ceramic coating for the windshield. So my sister says the ceramic coating, you get, no heat coming through the clear glass. So I'll take her word for it, because that's what she does for a living. And she's got it in her car, and she says she doesn't even feel the heat. Blocks like 80% of the heat. So, and it's legal, so, because it's basically clear. Alrighty, so I'm gonna finish up my break and continue on puttering around with this bus. Ooh, and hang on. So I went to my usual metal store where I get my metal, and they cut pieces for me. The price of metal went through the roof, like ridiculously through the roof. So the guy I used to do contracting for used to do all this metal work, like ductwork removal and stuff like that. So I thought, I'll go check out my buddy over at Air Tech Design, and they cut me up 2 pieces. Oop. Yes. Hang on. Oh. 1 galv, 1 not. Who cares? Just covering up windows. But this is perfect. Perfectly sized to fit in the window. So that'll go in the window. 3/4 inch plywood behind it. But yeah, I'm gonna sand the outside and prime it, and then slap it in the window, and then decide how many more windows I'm going to take off. And because I have a small metal brake, where'd I put it? I don't know where I put my metal brake. Oh, there it is, right there. The other windows I can do myself, but because the back windows were 33 and 33.25 inch wide. That's only 30 inch. So I was 3 inches short of bending my own metal. But it's a good thing, because then I wouldn't have went to my buddy's shop and got some free scrap metal, and he cut it to size and bent it up for me. So that's awesome. So I think 2 more windows. See, that's the window being replaced, and I think these 2 windows will go also on both sides. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows on this side and 8 on this side, and then 1 in the very back where my garage is. I'm gonna leave that, and then talk to the guy who's gonna do the mural on the bus. So he's gonna do a mural with spray bomb all the way around the bus. Cheap too. He's like, I've always wanted to do a bus. So yeah, that's gonna be awesome. I just gotta put the base coat on the whole exterior of the bus, and then he can come with his spray bombs and do everything. And you guys are gonna like the mural. It's cool. So alrighty, cheers guys. We're gonna piss away a little more at this, and I'll keep you updated. Awesome. Yes.